Introducing AXION Extreme Serum, the premier extreme skin repair serum. Give your skin the care it deserves with AXION Serum, the ultimate solution for extreme skin repair. Formulated with powerful, cutting-edge ingredients, this serum targets the root causes of aging, environmental damage, and skin dehydration, leaving your skin rejuvenated, firmer, and more youthful. Whether you are dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, or dryness, AXION Serum is designed to repair, restore, and renew. Key ingredients and benefits. 1. Pure low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Benefits: deep hydration. LMWH penetrates deeply into the skin, providing intense hydration and plumping the skin from within. Fine line reduction. Plump, hydrated skin appears smoother, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Arginine peptide. 1. Benefits: Botox in a bottle. Arginine is known as a peptide that works similarly to Botox, helping to reduce the movement of facial muscles responsible for wrinkle formation. Wrinkle prevention. Regular use can prevent the deepening of expression lines, making it an ideal anti-aging ingredient. Non-invasive smoothing. Provides the benefits of skin smoothing without injections, perfect for those who prefer a non-invasive option. 3. Matrixyl 3000 peptide. Benefits: collagen boosting. Matrixyl 3000 stimulates the skin's collagen production, essential for maintaining skin structure and firmness. Skin repair. Helps repair damaged skin and promotes overall skin health by reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin texture. Firmness and elasticity. Visibly reduces the signs of aging, giving the skin a firmer, more youthful appearance. 4. SNAP-8 peptide. Benefits: muscle relaxation. Similar to arginine, SNAP-8 is a peptide that reduces muscle contractions, which helps smooth out wrinkles and fine lines. Anti-aging powerhouse. Targets dynamic wrinkles, caused by facial expressions, making it ideal for areas prone to expression lines like the forehead and around the eyes. 5. Rosehip seed oil. Benefits: antioxidant rich. Packed with vitamins A and C, rosehip seed oil is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental stressor and promotes skin regeneration. Brightens skin. Helps fade dark spots, evens out skin tone, and gives the skin a healthy, radiant glow. Scar and wrinkle reduction. Known for its ability to reduce scars and wrinkles, promoting smoother and more even skin. 6. Vitamin C ester. Benefits: brightens skin. Vitamin C ester is a more stable and effective form of vitamin C that helps brighten the complexion and diminish the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Boosts collagen. Supports collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. Antioxidant protection. Shields the skin from environmental damage, reducing oxidative stress and preventing premature aging. 7. Vitamin E benefits. Powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect the skin from free radical damage caused by UV exposure and pollution. Hydration and healing. It's deeply hydrating and promotes skin healing, making it ideal for dry and damaged skin. Soothes inflammation. Known for its calming effects, it helps soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. 8. Centella asiatica. 1. Benefits: wound healing. Centella asiatica, also known as Sika, is renowned for its ability to promote skin healing and repair. Collagen production. Stimulates collagen production, helping to firm and tighten the skin. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces inflammation and calms irritated skin, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. 9. Lucidal, natural preservative. Benefits: natural and safe. A natural preservative derived from fermented radish root, Lucidal is gentle on the skin and helps extend the shelf life of the serum without harmful chemicals. Skin conditioning. Lucidal also acts as a skin conditioning agent, providing additional hydration and nourishment. Why choose AXION Serum? AXION Serum isn't just a regular skincare product, it's an extreme repair solution for skin that needs intensive care. The carefully selected combination of high-performance peptides, antioxidants, and hydrating agents offers the following benefits. 1. Immediate hydration and plumping for smoother, more youthful skin. 2. Long-term anti-aging effects, including the reduction of wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. 3. Protection against environmental damage caused by free radicals, UV exposure, and pollution. 4. Rapid repair and regeneration for skin affected by sun damage, dryness, and aging. 5. Microcurrent friendly. Perfect for use with masks or probes. With a potent concentration of active ingredients and scientifically backed benefits, AXION Serum is your go-to for rapid, visible improvements in skin health, texture, and radiance. Get yours now. Invest in your skin's future with AXION Serum, the premier extreme skin repair solution. Perfect for daily use or as part of a more intensive skincare regimen, it's the ultimate way to rejuvenate, restore, and revitalize your skin. Improves elasticity. By boosting moisture levels, it increases skin elasticity, leaving it firmer and more supple. Looking to offer the best in skincare for your clients? We provide wholesale pricing and private labeling options, allowing you to customize AXION Serum under your own brand. Join the skincare professionals who trust AXION Serum to deliver unmatched results and elevate their businesses. Wholesale pricing and private labeling options available. Contact us today to learn more about wholesale partnerships and how to create your own private label skin repair solution. drjoeventura@gmail.com